Good morning, everyone. This is Dan from Modern Exterior coming to you today from Waukesha, Wisconsin. Basically doing an inspection of some failed downspouts on an industrial building. These are 4x5 downspouts, and they're having some issues with water pooling up and seeping into the building. Pretty easy to tell what's going on. For one, the brackets have broke off in that section, so we got some wild design going there. The other issue is on the back side here. It's more failed gutter brackets, supports that are going in. You can see them there, hopefully. But basically they have broken off the wall over here, and downspouts no longer discharging out into the parking lot, as it has come apart and it's missing a couple pieces and are also clogged up. So we will be looking at pulling all the downspouts apart, cleaning them all out, and then re-anchoring them with new supports around these two sides of the building.